Okay, now on to the main course. What have we got here? We've got like some braised kind of lentils. We've got our sort of spice lamb ballotine that we do. We Ludlow Farm shop lamb, I'm pretty sure. Some pomegranates, wild garlics, some tahini, and a very nice asparagus and olive salad. Okay, so first thing, my humble assistant will just fill it up with water for me, that'd be great. Okay, so we've got our water on coming up to a boil. We are going to pop our lentils. This is like we reheat some of the grains like we do the couscous, like normal. Let's take a little bit of that water in there. Use it, pop it in. Okay, we'll just sit that on top. So just leave that. Obviously you don't want it to be boiling too hard, but just sort of simmering so that that'll warm through. Okay, so next job is we've got our pan lined with some baking parchment. We'll try and remember to give you some baking parchment. Take these guys. Put them on. It's on a kind of medium sort of high heat. We're just going to colour it up a little bit and then pop it in the oven. So we get a nice bit of colour on each side and then pop them in the oven. As you can see, they're just starting to sizzle now. Just put a little bit of oil on. Is everyone excited? I'm quite excited. Are you excited, Kelly? Okay. So you see these are nicely coloured now. Spin them over. Get a little bit more colour on this on the other side, and then we'll pop them in the oven. If you haven't got a pan that can go in the oven, so take it off the heat, and then you should be able to just lift that up and pop it on a baking tray and in the oven.
Cunning plan.
I might even be able to do that just to show you. Okay, so cool. Watch your fingers, obviously. Pick them up like that. Onto the oven tray, and then in the oven. I won't make that one dirty. I'll leave it on there. Yeah, I guess they're not going to take that long, about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Give it a stir, give it a little taste. They're real good. Okay, so our lentils are nice and warm, good and hot. These guys have been in for about 10 minutes. Nice and sizzling, nice and crispy around the edge. Okay, next up, I'm just going to chuck them in there because it's easier to get them out, save the washing up and all that jazz. So here's our shredded asparagus and olive salad. Next up, just trying to make it difficult for you, Ruth, jumping from plate to plate.
No, man.
Okay, hopefully you can lean that one up in there. Yeah, it seems to be just about holding. It's going to fall apart when you start eating it anyway. But right, and then we got loads of our tahini, which we'll slap it on all over. Got a pot each on this one, so go wild. Looking good. Plenty of pomegranate as well. So it becomes a big part of the dish now. For our final garnish, of wild garlic. Pretty tasty, I should say.